At the beginning of this course, we discussed briefly how Globomantic suffers from JavaScript fatigue in terms of a fast-changing ecosystem, subtle bugs, and difficult refactorings. Globomantic wants to explore if Elm can solve these issues for some of its web applications. Still, any new technology has some risks, so Globomantic wants to use a gradual approach to reduce risks. They want to start using Elm with some prototypes that can grow over time and get deployed in production. Basically, start using Elm for non-critical stuff, build internal expertise, evaluate progress, and expand Elm usage gradually. To offer a gradual Elm experience, the course project is about implementing a basic shopping cart, which is a topic that is easy to understand and relate to. Implementing a shopping cart is going to offer a gradual exposure to more and more Elm features. To implement this project, we are going to use Elm and Visual Studio Code. In this module, we took care of the initial setup, such as installing Elm, Visual Studio Code, and we already wrote some very basic Elm code. Furthermore, we started the Elm development server with an empty project and accessed it from a browser. However, we haven't yet created a web app using Elm, so let's do that. The plan for the rest of the course is the following. In the next module, let's build some very simple web apps to implement the shopping cart while also delving deeper into the Elm language. Next, let's use Elm to add some basic interactivity to web apps and learn more about the architecture of Elm web apps. Then, let's see how to add even more interactivity so that the shopping cart can have more features. Next, web apps need to talk to other APIs to send and receive data. For example, the shopping cart needs to submit an order. Let's see how to do that from Elm. Finally, Elm code needs to play nicely with the existing JavaScript code, since Globomantic expects a gradual adoption and it needs Elm web apps to integrate smoothly with JavaScript code. Throughout these modules, we are going to use more and more Elm features, so make sure you follow along to get hands-on experience and grow your confidence. Alright, let's build some simple web apps with Elm in the next module.